Hello, good day. My name is Nika, 29 years old, single. I finished my 2 years course in Information Technology in Asian Institute of E-Commerce, Cabanatuan City. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 5 years. I serve 3 family members, 2 adults and 1 children. The age of children is 5 years old girl. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of children, cleaning the house, cooking, washing and ironing the clothes, marketing, gardening, car washing, and taking care of pets. During my 5 years experience in my employer, we have good relationship because they treated me as their family members. To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper because I promise I will do my best and my duties and responsibilities, and I follow your rules and regulations. And I am trustworthy, hardworking, patient to children, and I love children too.